What is tears? Okay. Oh! Okay, I guess the stage is tilted. Oh. How are you supposed to do this stage? Like, how am I gonna freaking go through a freaking curved bridge when the stage is literally tilted? No! Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Come on. Oh my god, I'm actually gonna make it. Ah! Ah! Oh! Yeah! Alright. I'm actually like really good at this game. Wow! Okay! I did not mean to do that. Why wasn't this? Oh my god. What is this? Narrow peaks. Okay. Oh! Wow! Whoa! Okay. No! 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 Okay. Come on. Come on. Oh my god! Alright. Ah! The stage is not. No, actually, I didn't even beat this stage. I don't know why I'm. I mean, it looks like something that wouldn't be that hard. Yeah! Okay. What is this? Wait, what? Oh, I have to go through this portal? This isn't even hard. What the heck? I took forever on not forever. But like on stage 15, I took forever. Not forever, because it was like only like 5, maybe 6 tries. But still though, I have to pick out of all. What? What the heck? This is gonna take forever. I don't know which button to click. This one? No. Wow. Is it this one? Wow. No, 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 no! What are you doing? Go! I'm gonna have to assume it's... Oh. You know what? This one. Oh my god! Oh, okay. This one? Wait, I think I already... No! No, no, no! This one? What the heck? Wow, I already got my first continue. Is I try this one? No! This is like too many buttons. How am I even gonna get the right one? Is it this one? Oh! Wow. What is this? What? Huh? What kind of a bonus? How am I even gonna get all the bananas? Screw it. I don't even like bonus stages anyway. What? Huh? What is this? By the way, wow, what kind of a stage is this? Wow, this... Oh my... Get on the thing! What are you doing? No! No! I have a Dr. Pepper with me because I feel like it could help me beat this game. I don't know. Crap. Crap. Ah! I might as well just die right now. Probably might open the Dr. Pepper right now. Alright. Oh my god! Man! I don't know why this game has to be hard. No, please, please, please. No, 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 no. Oh my god! What is this? This doesn't look hard. This isn't hard? What the heck? Okay, what? Why is this stage 22? This should be like stage 3, I think. I don't know. That stage wasn't even that. What the heck? Oh, wait, I see. Wait. Huh? Oh, wait, I think I see what I need to do. Oh my god. No! What the heck? I died like that! Sorry about that. You just have to take a sip. from my Dr. Pepper. I feel like, I don't know, I always feel like drinking a Dr. Pepper would actually help me beat hard games like this. Okay, let me just... No! Okay. Please. Please do this.